Hey, Creative Writing One. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020, and we're continuing work on our short stories. Today we are focusing on characters and character development. So I'm just going to briefly review for you how to develop your characters, and then the questions that you'll be answering to develop at least one character are going to be in the packet that's posted to Classrooms. But everything you're doing, you're continuing in your journal and developing as we move along. All right, so don't forget that the characterization building blocks are name. A name can be very powerful. Appearance, dialogue, actions, thoughts, feelings, memories, and imagination, and interactions with others. I think a lot of times we say our character is tall with blonde hair and a beard, and we think we're done. But appearance is such a small part of what makes a character really, really interesting. For example, if we look at the Joker in the film that came out last year, we learn so much more about this villain and who they are and what makes them who they are, which is actually this really deep layered character that we start to kind of sympathize with, even though obviously they're capable of great evil. And all of that comes from the dialogue that we see them have with other people and getting an idea of their deeper person. So we're trying to build that up by using some of these questions that we maybe haven't thought about before. Always ask yourself the following questions when thinking about a character. What does my character want? What are they afraid of? What are they hiding? What are they ashamed of? What is one strength and what is one weakness? Even answering these questions about your character might give you a better idea of how to develop them and create a more rounded character as you write your story. This is a fun activity if you want some inspiration, some ideas from iconic characters. You can watch this video on your own time. This is examples of kind of iconic characters in film, and I want you to take notes using the acronym PAIRS: physical appearance, actions, inner thoughts, reactions, and speech. Again, not a required activity, but a really helpful creative exercise if you would like to do that. This is something you can also just do in your journals. All right, so this is your assignment for today. We've got Professor Umbridge here from Harry Potter, who's some considered to be even more evil than Voldemort, which, you be the judge. All right, I want you to develop one or more characters using the packet questions posted to Classroom. So it's a packet that you saw when we first learned about characterization, but now you're doing a character for this short story. And of course, continue developing your short story. Tomorrow we're going to talk about conflict and figure out what's that glass of water that your character wants. But this is your activity for today. Yesterday, again, thinking about those plot summaries. Today, you should probably start moving forward with one of them. Maybe developing your character will help you do this. Okay? All right, email me if you have questions.